Slovene, I hope we will find some way to translate to each other and kind of find a common ground. Okay? Let me set up. Aha! Everything is set. Let me say a few words of what I was doing this morning. Barbara asked me to speak about the future and the trends. And this topic has been with me for a few days now, actually a few weeks. What are the trends? Most of you here, and there are quite a few familiar faces, most of you here deal with social responsibility on more or less daily basis, or you're kind of professionals in the field. And unlike business practitioners, for you it's probably more of a daily question, so I didn't ask myself as much during the last year, what happens in the next 10 years? I know where we've been, but where are we going with this subject? Which is an interesting question. So I had the time to put it all together this morning at 6 a.m. And to a degree, what you will see now is as much surprise to me as it might be to some of you. I hope this will create more of a real conversation rather than me saying this is the way it's going to be. More of me trying to see what are the possible scenarios of where we will go and what is the scenario that we would like to choose. Because if we don't choose a scenario, some scenario will unveil on its own. So it's rather for us to be proactive and choose something than to be reactive and let it kind of fly and fall on its own. So what are the trends? Before we go too far with the trends on social responsibility,